Honestly, the DJI Mini 5 Pro Drone Fly More combo is the best portable drone I've ever owned, but let me explain why. After spending some quality time with this thing, I'm convinced it's a solid choice for anyone looking to capture high-quality aerial footage without breaking the bank. Link is in the description if you want to check the latest price on Amazon, where you can also find more details about the 26-month protection pack that comes with it, which is a huge plus in my book. So, one of the biggest benefits of this drone is its ability to capture pro-level images and videos, thanks to its 1-inch CMOS sensor and 4K video capabilities. I've used it to film some amazing footage of my outdoor adventures, and the quality is seriously impressive. For example, I took it with me on a recent trip to the beach, and the footage I got was stunning, the colors were vibrant, and the detail was incredible. Plus, it's super portable, weighing in at under 249 grams, which makes it perfect for tossing in a backpack or purse and taking with you on the go. I've also been really impressed with the omnidirectional obstacle sensing system, which gives me peace of mind when I'm flying in tight spaces or navigating complex environments. It's also really easy to use, even for a beginner like me. The RCN3 remote controller is intuitive and responsive, and the drone itself is surprisingly stable and smooth to fly. Another benefit is that it comes with a 3-battery bundle, which means I can fly for hours without needing to recharge. And, as I mentioned earlier, the bundle also includes a Deco Gear CPS exclusive 26-month protection pack, which is a huge bonus. It's always a good idea to have some extra protection for your gear, especially when you're investing in something as fancy as a drone. One thing to consider is that the DJI Mini 5 Pro is a bit of an investment, but I think it's definitely worth it for the quality and features you're getting. On the plus side, it's an incredibly versatile drone that can be used for everything from casual hobby flying to professional-grade videography. Some of the pros of this drone include its incredible image quality, its portability, and its ease of use. Even if you're new to drones, you'll be able to pick it up and start flying in no time. One con is that it can be a bit pricey, and another is that the learning curve can be a bit steep if you're not used to flying drones. However, I think the benefits far outweigh the drawbacks, and I'd definitely recommend it to anyone in the market for a high-quality portable drone. Overall, I'm really happy with my purchase, and I think you will be too. If you're interested in learning more or checking the price, the link is in the description below. Be sure to check it out and see for yourself why I'm such a big fan of the DJI Mini 5 Pro Drone Fly More combo.